Howdy everybody, today we're going to take a look at the D-Bird SF666 condenser microphone. First I'd like to look at the back of the packaging and kind of go over some of the specs. They say, see if I can focus in real quick. And here are the specifications, and I believe this one is the SF666, which is this last column here. The sensitivity is a negative 55 decibels, plus or minus 2 decibels. Directivity, noise cancelling. Impedance is less than 2.2K. Sensitivity reduction is within negative 3 decibels. The operation voltage is at 1.5 volts. Standard operating voltage is also at 1.5 volts. Frequency response is 50 Hertz to 16 kilohertz, and the SN ratio is more than 36 decibels. This one is the SF666, I believe, which comes with your 3.5 millimeter standard jack. The SF666B comes with a USB connector. Other than that, I assume they're fairly identical. The B with the USB plug does have a couple of slightly different specifications. As soon as I get a nice quiet location, I'll hook this up and see just how well it does. I also want to note that it does come with a small mic stand. Looks like a small tripod mic stand. We'll get a better look at that too when we open it up, but we'll set that up at the computer station just so we can have a much closer and more in-depth look at this. My first impressions, looks really good. I'm really quite excited about it. I hope that it performs as well as it looks and as well as their specs show. See you in a few. For this video I'll be doing a voiceover just so you can get a good idea about how well this microphone works. When you open it up, the package, you'll see that there aren't any instructions that come with it. But it is a microphone, so it is a plug-and-play microphone, so there's not a whole lot that you do need. This particular model comes with a small microphone stand. It's a tripoding stand that I thought would be kind of top-heavy, but it works really well. You'll also get the D-Bird condenser mic. This particular model is the 3.5-inch jack. They also provide one with a USB jack. It feels like it's of a really good quality. It has a really nice feel to it. It's extremely light and is a fairly decent size. While this mic, I think, might work really well for video games or for online chat, it's probably not the best mic to use to launch your singing career or for a professional studio without spending some extra money on some processing. However, it's a great mic for things like podcasts, reviews like this, and for online chatting, video games, etc. I would highly recommend purchasing this mic for these applications, especially at this price point.